He cheated on me and now he's with her. What should I do? Hello ladies and welcome to Love Advice TV. I'm Alex Cormont, your relationship expert. In today's video, I want to answer Cici who sent me an email. She explained to me her situation. It was a long email and I was touched because her story was not that easy and I decided to make this video for you, Cici. So, I know it's hard because this man cheated on you and now he's living the good life with this girl. And if you're watching this video, I want to tell you something. When a man is cheating on you, there is two main reasons. The first one, it's because he's not happy in a relationship. There is something in your relationship that didn't make him happy. And you need to understand what, okay? So when you have the answer, just give me a comment and I will be here with Coach Samira, Coach Steven to answer every single question. So number one, why? Why did this infidelity happen? This is the reason. There is something in your relationship. Number two, when a man is cheating on you, it's because he's an asshole. And he thinks he can do everything that you will be always there. So he's not giving you value, okay? It could be the relationship or it could be just himself where he's not giving you value. And I want to change this situation. Cici, you need to understand that he was not cheating on you. In his mind, he decided to leave the relationship. But he was waiting for having someone else before to take the decision. But it's not the problem. The problem is when someone is doing this to you, you need to tell yourself, I want my revenge. I want to show him what he has lost. Because when I was reading your email, and one of the biggest mistakes, you're just following a man that cheated on you, that didn't give you value, and this is not okay. We should never accept this situation. So, what are the solutions? The solutions are to work on yourself, but far from him, okay? I want you to maybe change your appearance, do a lot of activities, try to socialize, try to make sure that you will never put a man on a pedestal, because I can guarantee you that the reason why this is happening to you, okay? So if you can value yourself, then you will have an opportunity to show him what he has lost. How? By just recreating the contact, okay? Once you are ready, I will be your coach. We will go together to show him what he has lost. And then we will create attraction. Because most of the time, the problem is not love. You are always looking for the love. But the problem is the attraction, is sometimes the seduction and also the challenge. So today in this special video, I want to tell you something for all the women. When a man is cheating on you, I want you to consider what was the problem in the relationship, what was the problem with him, why he didn't give you value. If you can understand this why, I can guarantee you that everything will change for the future. So now it's time to work on yourself and be the challenge. Tell yourself that, okay, I want to prove him that he was wrong. So don't chase him, don't look at him, you don't care because nothing worse can happen. So now we need to work on yourself. And then when we will be ready, we will recreate the attraction. But don't skip all the steps, okay? Go one by one because if you want to go too fast, you will always be needy. And this is not what we want. Okay, ladies? So if you have any question, if you want to talk about your situation, please leave a comment just right below and we will be here to answer every single question. Give me a like and also subscribe to this amazing YouTube channel. I know the subject today was not really fun, but that's my job to be here for you and with you. So if you want to book a coaching session, if you want to get a relationship expert, I will be your man. I will help you to show him what he has lost. Because this is the way you need to think now. Okay, ladies? So leave a comment, subscribe, give me a like, and I will see you soon for a new video. Just remember something. You have nothing to prove. You just have to love yourself. And I will see you soon. Bye-bye, guys.